Hi! In this video, I'm going to share 5 important tips every beginner in Sharp should know to learn faster and code better. So, make sure you watch until the end. When you start programming, you don't need to jump straight into complex topics like object-oriented programming. First, you should learn how to declare variables, write conditions, loops, and methods. These are the core building blocks of programming. Console applications are the best place to start. You can practice getting input, showing output, and all the important structures. Graphical interfaces like Windows Forms come later. Data types like int, string, and bool are the foundation of programming. Without knowing these, you can't declare variables or manage your code properly. Debugging helps you find and fix errors, and it's a key skill for every programmer. In Visual Studio, you can use breakpoints to pause your code and inspect variables step by step. This lets you understand how your code is running and where it goes wrong. You can also use console. Write line to quickly check values and test logic. The better you are at debugging, the faster you'll solve problems. Build small projects that you finish completely. For example, a simple calculator or a number guessing game. Finishing a project gives you a sense of achievement and helps a lot with learning.